Folks, here's my problem with the negative mindset in South Africa, okay? It turns you into a bitch, turns you into a victim. The negative mindset says it's the INC's fault, it's the government's fault, it's Eskom. It's not, all right? If you are stuck financially and you are not in a great space mentally, emotionally, physically, it's nobody's fault. It's your fault because you're allowing a negative victim mentality or mindset to become an excuse for you. All right. The victorious mindset says, okay, I fucked up in the past. I did a couple of things that I shouldn't have done. What could I have done better? And with regards to the future, what can I do better in the future? All right. Take responsibility, take control, take ownership of your life. It's the only way you're going to get to a better place emotionally, physically, mentally, or financially. Just fucking take ownership.